This is the Dylonic exfoliating brush, and it works awesomely. And look at this handle, and look at this pretty design. So how you use it is you put it onto your palm of your hand, just like that. Very easy to use. Now, in the beginning, it may be a little bit more abrasive for you, so just be gentle, but you almost need no pressure. And you can either do it straight against the hair, or you can just rub it in a circular motion. And it feels so good, and just even doing it for a few seconds, you'll totally notice a difference in how smooth your skin is. This is great for your whole body, from your armpits to your legs, bikini area, and so much more. It feels so good. You can also use this either wet or dry. And also afterwards, your skin is going to feel fabulous. It really absorbs the lotion so much better after you lotion up your skin afterwards. There's also a hole here, so if you want, you can attach a string and hang it up onto your shower. And as I mentioned, you can use this both wet and dry, and if you want, you can even put some soap, liquid soap on it and use it that way, and it just feels fantastic. So this is also very easy to undo, so you can clean it periodically. So let me teach you how to do that. You're gonna get a knife or an object, but don't let it be too sharp. And you're gonna put it right here between the area and the bristles. And then you just open it like this, and then you pull it apart just like that so you can clean it. And then to put it back, you're going to slip it in just like this. And also, let me show you really quick. Do you see how there's notches right here, right here, right here, and right here? So in that area, that's where you're going to slip this in to remove it. So to attach it, you're just going to put it back the same way that you took it out. And slip it sideways like that. And ta-da! Back to normal. So I was sent this from Dylonic to evaluate, and I absolutely love it. It feels so good against my skin. This is perfect if you have ingrown hairs or you just want to exfoliate your whole body. So thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.